Kani kadega batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shnong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shnong. Admissions open now.
Ngadu basdang kejala Meghalaya banyilek persya na kajingyok rung Khniang Jingpang COVID-19 syakani kejala. Ka sorkar jala kalasyem shibon kisinjam banyada na uni Khniang Jingpang. Kawai ni kila jingada kadairu kajinglet Synreit Dawai Pynïap Khniang Jingpang hakaleng ka saudong saukon jong ki Shnong ki thau hakani ganong ba Shnong. Henry hakini ki kendiat singi balalen. Ya kani jing Synreit Dawai lale da ki kenhon jong sorkar tang haki Shnong ki bahap apo ka Shnong Municipal Board. Warla ki board jong ka SMB kimla banlet Synreit Dawai Pynïap Khniang syaki Shnong ki bahap syabar ka municipal. Henry kala penbiang pat tang ya ki Dawai. Hakaba ki nong sunsar Shnong kinhap ban Synreit Dawai hi hakaleng ki benta jong ka Shnong. Kawai ni ki Shnong ka bahap syabar jong ka Shnong Municipal Board. Kabala sedang ban Synreit Dawai kedai ka Shnong Pohkseh Shnong. Kabala pendap ya kini jing Synreit Dawai Pynïap Khniang Jingpang hakaleng ki benta jong ka Shnong hakasan tarek mentau bena yayong arhajar arpo.
Kini ketika sien ka banongkong nakaliang jongi kum ka Shnong bat ka dobar Shnong hi barokawi nadu urang ba Shnong skati Shnong komiti Shnong ngidon ka jing sngokya ka bajur nam ta ka Jingpang ka bala sakphyang ha ka ri ka jongi ha ka ri hi parthei barokawi te ngidon ka jing sngokya na kam ta ki nong Shnong ki pai Shnong jong ka ri khasi jantia ka jongi bat ka jala ka jongi bat hakan ka por naka liang jong ka Shnong Pohkseh ngilitri lang bat ka health station bat ka dorba Shnong naka banta bagin spray na bagin sanitize kini ki jaka pajba bangila ban pelaj yaki pajba haki jaka ki khamtam ki baki alum ki priu haki dong haki Shnong ki ba khambun ba uniu Khniang Jingpang unum sabret hakan ka ri ka jongi tingi aingu ya ublei hadu melong menta hakan ka state ka jongi hakan ka ri ka si bi jongi uniu Khniang Jingpang umpedon hadu menta te nam ta kan ni ngasngo umbangi karpat ya paro ki paranong Shnong jong ka than bagari ka jongi bangin ya Dawai bangin pelaj nang uniu Khniang Jingpang ba ubala yaj bat basar hakeleng jokari bat pathai ba koi tingin ayai beteng ni skmat te ka competition ka dobra Shnong yelirai ba nginai beteng ye kan ye ban sanitize ya ka Shnong.
Yeah, we are sanitizing the area, the Dawai Shnong Pohkseh, in collaboration with them. We are using a tablet called NADCC, sodium dichloroisonurate, which is very good disinfectant, used as a sprayer, which can be used for spraying in the locality to disinfect the areas. The product is from Ahmedabad, called from Bacta Free 1000. It can be mixed in 8 liters of water and can be sprayed in around the areas where you want to disinfect it. It's a good product. It has been tested by the government of India. It has been approved by government of India. It is already being used by BSF. Ningims are using it, and It should be used by all the localities, and we are doing it in the locality wise. Per day we are doing it, and today we are doing Pohkseh. We also have schedule for Bada Bazar, Molanghat, Laban already we have done it. So we are doing it.